Our home, Earth, is a blue paradise for life as we know it. The only planet out of thousands discovered beyond our solar system to host living organisms. In some ways, Earth is an embarrassment of riches, abundant with persistent and pervasive life forms that can be found in almost every nook and cranny. From the boiling, caustic pools of Yellowstone National Park to the frigid, dry valleys of Antarctica, Earth may well be the rarest place in the universe, and we get the privilege of calling it home. But out there beyond Earth, exoplanets have been found that exist within the Goldilocks zone, the region around a star where it is warm enough for water to flow, where the temperature is just right for life as we know it, not too hot and not too cold. Yet, as it stands, the universe is silent. We still have not found any sign of alien life. However, when it comes to exoplanet hunting, we have only just scratched the surface, because it is estimated that every star in the Milky Way has, on average, at least one planet orbiting it. And there are more than 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone. The universe is likely teeming with alien worlds that are waiting to be discovered. And as of today, scientists have confirmed over 6,000 exoplanets, a massive milestone in our search for other worlds. Among the most exciting discoveries remains a rocky planet similar in size to Earth, orbiting within the habitable zone of the closest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri. This is our destination. But even though Proxima Centauri is the closest star to us, it is still incredibly far away. The mysterious world we are attempting to explore is 4.2 light years away, much further than any human-made object has ever traveled. But, luckily for us, within this simulation, we are not restricted by the cosmic speed limit. We can go faster than the speed of light. As we make this incredible journey to our neighboring star and its mysterious world, let me try and put the distances you are now traveling into some kind of context. 4.2 light years is about 40 trillion kilometers, or about 25 trillion miles. If the famous interstellar probe Voyager 1 was heading towards Proxima Centauri at its current speed of 17.3 kilometers every second, for example, it would still take over 73,000 years to arrive. The reason Proxima Centauri is so dim is because it is a small type of star called a red dwarf, one of the most common types of star in the Milky Way. It contains only about an eighth of the mass of the Sun and is about 500 times less bright. But orbiting this faint star is a handful of planets, one of which is called Proxima B, a world of possibility. Proxima B is complicated because it shares many similarities with Earth, but also vast differences. The exoplanet has an estimated minimum mass of around 1.055 Earths, is roughly similar in size to Earth, and sits in the habitable zone of its star. But it is also tidally locked and in synchronous rotation with its star. This means that the daytime side you can see is constantly being bombarded with light, while the dark side is in perpetual nighttime. Because of its Earth-like mass, however, scientists do believe that it could be a rocky terrestrial planet similar to Earth, and because of its distance from its star, it is also possible for liquid water, and potentially even life, to exist on its surface. The planet orbits Proxima Centauri every 11.2 Earth days, at a distance more than 20 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun, and it remains unclear at this stage whether Proxima B has a thick atmosphere. So the radiation coming from Proxima Centauri might have stripped away Proxima B's air, making it impossible for the alien planet's surface to hold on to liquid water. However, there is still hope for this exoplanet. If Proxima B has a strong magnetic field, for example, the field would deflect the radiation away from the atmosphere, and even the slow rotation of a tidally locked planet would be enough to generate a magnetic field, as long as part of the planet's interior remained molten. Scientists are now actively exploring ways to study Proxima B more closely. Researchers have even proposed using fusion propulsion systems to send a probe to the Proxima Centauri system, potentially enabling a spacecraft to enter orbit and conduct extensive scientific study. Until we can visit this mysterious neighboring star and its fascinating planet for real, or develop a telescope powerful enough to directly image it, we may never know for certain if it is or isn't Earth-like. For now, Earth is the only known planet where life can comfortably exist. And even though there are potentially habitable worlds just around the corner, cosmically speaking, they are still much too far away. But if we ever do send a probe into interstellar space on a mission to explore a distant alien world, well, we already have our first target. Did you enjoy your trip across interstellar space to the closest known exoplanet to Earth? Let me know in the comment section below. Where do you want to explore next? Anywhere is possible. If you want to continue these epic adventures throughout the universe, then remember to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for joining me on this epic journey, and I'll see you all on the next one.